So today we're going to be making a dog bone pillow for people to put around their neck. They support the neck really well because of the shape of them. What you're going to need a template. I just made my own template. I used two circles here, so like a I used a jar, the top of a jar, and then it goes down and pretty much straight from there on, so they're really easy to do. To cut the pattern out of the fabric, just put the template on the fold, just give it a pin and what have you, and then cut around it. And we need 3 pieces of those. So I mean, you can do it in one color or you can do it in a few colors with one panel being different. As you can see, I thought I'd go for some nice cheery colours today. I tend to be more sort of muted, but this, I will do it like this today. So what we're going to do initially is we're going to take that one piece and we are going to place it on here straight as we can so that everything lines up. I'm going to get our pins. There they are. They are. I'm just going to pin it just to make sure the fabric stays where it's supposed to stay. Because otherwise it moves around all over the place and it's just annoying. There we go. So I just put 3 pins in there and we're going to stitch. And I put a mark here, which gives me the center point with a fabric pen, wherever it's gone. Because we're just going to sew to here and to here. So we're going to go around like that, like that, like that, and like that. So let's get sewing. So starting where we've marked, which is there and here, I'm going to stitch around, making sure that I go back to secure it. So once we've stitched all the way around, we're going to take this top piece here and we're going to fold it back. The wrong sides together. And then we're going to lay the other piece on top. And we're going to stitch all the way around except for one piece here, which I'm going to pin so we can actually turn it to stuff it. I like to make it quite big because the stuffing is okay. There we go. stop at that marker that I put and start again for this bit so I don't catch any of this in there, which makes it pucker. And rinse it all the way around the other side. But it's good for people to know who actually made it. So here now we have all the three pieces sewn together. And we're going to turn it right side out using our little, you can see this, but